Good morning, Chris from Burtness Chevrolet in Orfordville, Wisconsin. Giving you a quick video on our 2020 Silverado Crew Cab. Gray in color. Just thought I'd do a quick walk around for you so you could take a look at it. Looks like we got the assist steps on this one. Here's a nice interior shot of the vehicle. 22,286 miles on it currently right now. Does have the heated seats, steering wheel radio controls, cruise control, full-wheel drive mode. Also has the integrated trailer brake in it also. Here's a shot of the back seat. Looks like it's got the all-weather floor mats as well. Spray in bed liner. Tires look to be in very good condition. And here's a front end shot as well of the vehicle. Looks we got an internet sale price reduced to $38,800. Once again, here's our 2020 Silverado Crew Cab here at Burtness Chevrolet in Orfordville, Wisconsin. My name's Chris. I will do whatever I can to help you out. And thank you for looking.